Hi there, and welcome back to UncoverFraud.com. My name is David Melamed, and I am a forensic accountant and fraud investigator of over 20 years now. Today I want to share with you something that you are just not going to be able to believe. I'm going to start off with the top 10 scams and frauds of 2021. Did you know there are a number of ways to measure the largest scams and frauds, but most measure them by the number of people affected and the total dollars scammed? The following list focuses on the scams and frauds that you could avoid. Well, those are that get reported. So let's start off. Number 1, debt collection.
Good morning, Mrs. Morris. This is Bunty from Star Electro. I am calling from the collections department. May I have 10 minutes of your time, ma'am?
Most of the complaints under this category involve debt collectors. Consumers tell of receiving calls from harassing collectors who are threatening and will repeatedly call attempting to collect a debt. Other complaints that fall under this category involved credit card fees, payday loans, credit repair companies, and unauthorized use of credit debit cards. Some of these complaints involved hidden fees and billing disputes as well, so just watch out. Number 2, fake government officials. If you received an email, letter, or phone call from a government agency like tax or the police, and it instructs you to wire, Western Union, or MoneyGram money someplace, or follow a link and enter information, don't believe it. The government would never instruct anyone to use those methods to pay any bill or carry out a financial transaction, particularly with an overseas bank or agency. And I've even heard it getting as bad as people giving Apple prepaid cards and prepaid Visas and MasterCards. Number 3, identity theft, phishing, and farming.
Identity theft happens. It's an unfortunate fact of modern life. But there are certain steps you can take to help keep your personal information from falling into the wrong hands. Another routine to get into is keeping tabs on your identity and personal information. Here are 5 easy ways you can do it. Read your credit card and bank statements carefully and often. Know your payment due dates. If a bill doesn't show up when you expect it, look into it. Read the statements from your health insurance plan. Make sure the claims paid match the care you got. Shred any documents with personal and financial information. Review each of your 3 credit reports at least once a year. It's easy and it's free.
And I'm not talking about the phishing that you do on the weekend with your son or your grandson. I'm talking about phishing, P-H-I-S-H-I-N-G. Fraudsters gain access to your confidential information, like your social insurance number, your social security number, your date of birth, and then use it to apply for credit cards, loans, and financial accounts. Typically, the victim receives an email that appears to be from a credible, real bank or credit card company with links to a website and a request to update account information. But the website and email are fakes, made to look like the real website. So be careful out there. Phone scams. This includes telemarketers violating the Do Not Call list, robo-dialers, scammers calling up pretending to be from a bank or credit card company, the National Do Not Call Registry, or the National Do Not Call list offer consumers a free way to reduce telemarketing calls. Scammers call anyway, of course, and they've even found a way to scam consumers by pretending to be a government official calling to sign you up or confirming your previous participation on the Do Not Call list. Ridiculous, I know. A good example of this is the "Your Microsoft license key has expired" scam call. When they call you next time, tell them you use Apple and you don't use Microsoft products, so it doesn't matter. Hopefully they'll leave you alone. Loan scams and credit fixers. False promises of business or personal loans, even if credit is bad, for a fee up front, or a scam that promises to repair your credit for a fee. You're going to be giving your money and throwing it into the water. Well, just about as throwing it into the water. Fake prizes, sweepstakes, free gifts, lottery scams.
That's it! That's it! That you won $100, that's it?
Yes!
Yes,
We've all received that phone call where on the other side of the phone you hear the boat, "Oh, you have won a free cruise." You receive an email claiming you won a prize, lottery, or gift, and you only have to pay a small fee to claim it or cover the handling costs. Doesn't sound so bad. These include scams which can go under the name of genuine lotteries like the UK National Lottery and the EI Gordo Spanish Lottery. Unsolicited email or telephone calls tell people they are being entered or have already been entered into a prize draw. Later, they receive a call congratulating them on winning a substantial prize in a national lottery. But, and here's the kicker, before they can claim their prize, they are told they must send money to pay for administration fees and taxes. The prize, of course, does not exist. No genuine lottery asks for money to pay fees or notifies its winners via email. Just think about it. Internet merchandise scams. You purchase something online, but it is either never delivered or it is not what they claimed it was, or it's defective. Online shopping and other shop from home, such as catalog, mail, and phone shopping scams are on the rise. So take care, people. Please, when you do buy merchandise online, go to reputable sites. Go to your Amazons. Believe in them. It's not just for the product, but it's for the customer service as well. It's for the belief that if a product does not get delivered, if a product is delivered and is not described the way you believed it was, if the product is defective, you have recourse and you get a way to recover your money. Automobile-related complaints. Car loans, car buying, car sales, auto repair, fake or useless extended warranties. Some of the complaints alleged consumers paid for repairs and that services provided were shoddy. Consumers reported repair companies that returned vehicles to the consumer in a worse condition than how it was initially given to them. Other complaints involved consumers not receiving title to their vehicles at the same time of sale. Credit bureaus and related credit card scams. Credit debit card fees, payday loans, credit repair companies, and unauthorized use of credit debit cards. Some of these complaints involved hidden fees and billing disputes as well. Phishing, spoofing emails. Emails that pretend to be from a company, organization, or government agency, but ask you to enter or confirm your personal information are emails that you do not want to reply to. And number 10, the matrix and multi-level marketing and pyramid schemes. Make money now, scream their websites, and do it in your spare time. Earn big bucks for almost no work. If that isn't enough to tell you it's a scam, let me explain why it is. These schemes are promoted through websites offering expensive electronic gadgets as free gifts in return for spending about $25 on an inexpensive product, such as a mobile phone signal booster. Consumers who buy the product then join a waiting list to receive their free gift. The person at the top of the list receives his or her gift only after a prescribed number, that means a certain number of new members join up. The majority of those on the list will never receive the item. Pyramid schemes offer a return on a financial investment based on the number of new recruits to the scheme, meaning if more people aren't coming into the pyramid, you have less likelihood of ever recovering your investment, let alone a profit. Investors are misled about the likely returns. There are simply not enough people to support the scheme indefinitely. Look, these are my first top 10 scams and frauds of 2021 that I wanted to share with you. If you like this video, I need you to subscribe and like it below. If you do, I've got another 30 top frauds and scams of 2021 that I'm going to share with you. And by you watching these videos, sharing these videos, showing your friends, your family, your loved ones, your business associates these videos, you will help prevent many people losing hundreds, if not millions of dollars of time and money, and you yourself will be part of the fraud prevention, scam prevention army against fraudsters. Thanks again. My name is David Melamed. My website is uncoverfraud.com to find out more about the services we offer. I look forward to seeing you again. God bless.